Hi everyone, so I am Apurva Marda, physiotherapist from Mumbai. So before sharing how level 2 impacted, just giving you a gist of how my life has been. So 2013 I passed out and I was academically a very bright student, university topper. सबको लगता था बहुत बड़ा करेगी professionally. Then I passed out, I started working. I was doing well work wise also. Then got married in 2015. I continued working till 2017 and everything was going great. Gradually, working with hospitals, working for someone else's clinic, things were going good. Then I conceived, I planned my family and I delivered two children. So that's when thoda sa slow down ho gaya professional life. That was my choice. Why? Because I chose to give priority to my children. But then I had to wait for them to grow up. So 7 years I only provided home care. I did not join any company, did not start my clinic. And in home care providing, I started with 2 hours when my children were very small. Then I increased it to 4 to 5 hours. So from 2017 to 2024 I've provided only home care. But in 2021 I did level 2. Level 2 karte hi, in that home care also what I was providing, the revenues changed by a good 6 times. Protocol change बढ़ा लिया, way of communication, way of explaining the patient, doing the right things, saying the right things. All that you learn from level 2, I started applying. And before finishing the course only, I started feeling the change in my professional approach. And फिर it ऐसा time आया after 2021 when I finished the course. Gradually my work even in the home care started picking. And then 5 hours I used to work for home care. Eventually it happened that all 5 hours I was fully occupied. I have 5 home visits every day, and in fact advance में भी booking रहता था. So it is completely owing to the level 2 course which I did. Then in 2025 Jan this year I started my clinic also. Heart and soul, I'll say thanks to the level 2 course which I did, to sir, ma'am, and the beautiful design of level 2, the way they have set it up. So clinic start karna was, I was not hesitant at all. Why? Because I was fully prepared. तो छोटी से छोटी चीज़ लेवल 2 में कवर करी गई है. And I didn't have to think or wonder or talk to many people, or there was no hesitance at all because I was absolutely prepared. Level 2 में everything you are taught, be it the management part, be it the strategies part, be it the clinical part, everything, even small things like how to set up the clinic, from how to approach the vendors for things like instruments, beds, balls, etc. And not just level 2 program. In fact, when I was setting up the clinic, sir and ma'am were so approachable. They're always there. So it was a very easy process to switch from home care to starting a clinic. And sir and ma'am were so kind that for every step also, if I was approaching them and they were like, I was on instantly getting a response from them. They're that kind and helpful. So clinic भी set हो गया. Now it's been 3 months and my clinic is running very well. In fact, it's the revenues are better than what we were achieving in home care already. And अभी तो हम सिर्फ half ही day. I already have a team of physios and we are only running half day. Only the morning slot is only open. Evenings we've not started. So that's the impact which level 2 has on you. Your confidence is great. Why? Because your knowledge is up to the mark. आपको पता है कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, कब करना है, किस तरह से करना है. So then there is no question mark, and when there is no question mark, then you always deliver smooth. And level 2 का base ही है that it will equip you completely, not just as a good physiotherapist but also as a एज अ फिजियोप्रेन्योर जो वर्ड है, लाइक बिजनेस कैसे करना है वो भी आपको पूरी कम्प्लीटली सिखा देते हैं. एंड सो हैंस मेरा तो लेवल 2 के भरोसे ही पूरा प्रोफेशनल लाइफ इज़ ग्रेजुअली चेंजिंग एंड पिकिंग. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू बोथ सर एंड मैम फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग दिस कोर्स, एंड आई हाईली रिकमेंड level 2 to each and every physio. Thanks again. Much gratitude.